chugging in no time.
I just talked to Nikki.
Your sister? Is she doing okay? We're gonna get her back.
I think I know how to find her. I heard a PA sound in our call way in the background. The voice said something, a name or a place. You think you can clean the audio? Try to make out what he's saying?
Yeah, audio wizardry ain't my thing. Send me what you got. I'm sure I can do something.
Okay, I'm heading back to the bunker.
No. We got one more job. You won't believe what I found. Default's Love Shack. Let's take back what he stole from us. You're all set. Have fun.
Fucking do this.
Chicago police have issued a warrant for the vigilante, Aiden Pierce. However, Chicago citizens are cheering Pierce on. With so much citizen support, police are having a hard time getting any tips on his whereabouts.
Of Aiden motherfucking Pierce. Especially now that I killed so many fucking people. God damn it. That really irritating. You know what? I should actually go to a crafting thing and build a lot of stuff. Pharmacy, craft meds directly to inventory. Well, I didn't want to craft meds. I want to craft other shit. Oh shit! Fucking Mike almost came out there. Focus, duration boost. I said, Oh. Excuse me.
How's it going?
What can I get you?
Son of a bitch. I want it to fucking build shit. I don't need that. Weapons. Fuck it, I don't care. Braking, I'm not even using the emergency brake, I'm just turning. Fucking ridiculous.
We've got Default's location. Now, we'll take back what he stole. If he sells Iraq's blackmail on the open market, this has all been for nothing. Whether it disappears or it goes public, I'll have nothing left to offer Damien.
That looks familiar.
Oh man, we hit pay dirt.
Where are you?
I got a webcammy thing here. Find a line in and see what I found.
Let's just kind of walk around.
Did you pick up my prescription?
I did. What are these for?
You're not it. You have a bank account. God damn, this shit's...
T-Bone, wrap it up.
Cranky.
Forget the toys. We gotta get you out.
Sorry, Princess.
Ooh-wee.
Where is he? Kid's got fixers working for him. Whatever alarms we tripped, you sent these guys running. Fuckers came pretty fast.
Just stay low. I'll get you clear.
I found something in his computer. Besides that funky prototype shit. Now where the hell did he find that? Man, if I just had 10 minutes more.
What did you find?
Huh?
On his
shit.
computer.
Right. A weakness. I found a weakness in there. He's carrying the data with him. Like, on his person. It's a security measure, I guess, but he ain't as secure as he'd like to think.
What are you saying? We find him, we can steal the data back?
And he won't know it. Thinks he can fuck with Raymond Kenny. He has no idea who he's up against.
This is gonna be,
Jesus.
Oh, Jesus! Oh, fucking God! And don't turn your shit up.
Go, quickly.
You got it.
Move ahead.
Run a test on my gear. I think I got a malfunction.
Go, go.
How
Stay
we
low.
doing?
Hang on. What was that? That sounds familiar.
Okay, now.
This is tight.
Go, go. Now, go.
Yeah, I'm moving.
Move.
Looks like nothing to worry about.
Take the car and get out of here, quick.
I'll call you when I'm clear. Don't get yourself killed.
Oh, there's one more thing. When I was in that rat hole, I noticed that little shit's been fucking around inside CTOS. Yeah, he's got access. And my guess, you're target numero uno.
what a dick.
Drive into him! Do it! Here to back you up! Plow into him! Do it! My car's done. I'm out. Ram him!
Damn. This is complicated.
Relax. We're here. Ran him off the road.
Scout! Send extra help! Don't see him. Let it go. We'll get him next time.
What a dick. Lol. Fuck you. Asshole. Sperm cells. What the fuck? Dick.
Pierce, you heard of a place called Dot Connection?
Everybody in Chicago's heard of it.
Yeah, well, whoop-de-fucking-do, man. Whatever it is, it seems to be default's local haunt.
Is that all you got?
Oh, and I found a 6-gig USB stick full of lesbian porn. You want that, too?
Keep it.
So down. Ooh, hey. Okay, let's go. What's this? Explosive components. I'm gonna need that. ATM first. Money I got. At least have 12. Yeah, alright.
Hi.
Need something?
Holy shit.
A little space would be nice.
Thank you. I will be buying all your stuff in order to make
Pleasure doing business with you.
Can't tell anyone else, man.
Hey.
How goes it? See something you like?
CTO scan. I can now do pills. I will.
I think you'll be very happy with that.
Crash. That's the crash.
Hi.
Yeah.
And buy more. That's cool.
If you're looking for anything special, just ask.
You, sir, have done me a great service.
Why are you calling me?
Because I know...
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's go. I'm actually gonna stop this one short.